Here at Obsessed Garage, based on our real-world testing, we have found these two soaps to be the best available out there. They are Koch-Chemie Gentle Snow Foam, or GSF, and CARPRO Reset. Let's go more in depth on each of these and why we think they are the best soap. So when it comes to choosing your car soap, one thing to look at is pH balance. And you want to choose a soap that is pH neutral. In this case, both GSF and Reset are pH neutral. When comparing both soaps, one thing to note is that CARPRO states that this may degrade your wax and sealant. The reason being is that it was formulated to act like an alkaline cleaner to break down the dirt and grime. Because of that, it really depends on the quality of the current protection that you have, if it will affect it much or if at all. Another key factor when it comes to a good soap is its consistency. You don't want a very thick soap. The reason being is that it's harder to pour and it doesn't mix in well when using a foam cannon or your wash bucket. When it comes to Koch-Chemie GSF and CARPRO Reset, you don't have that issue, and that is because they are a lot thinner. Finally, you want a soap that foams well, but also doesn't reactivate when rinsing. If you have a soap that were to reactivate, that means that when you rinse it off, it would leave a residue and start to foam up again. That is not what you want. There's nothing more frustrating than when you're rinsing off your vehicle and then have to go back to that same area and rinse off because there is residue. When it comes to Koch-Chemie GSF and CARPRO Reset, you won't have that problem. Nowadays, there's a lot of car soaps out there that have SiO2 infused in them. We don't recommend that, and the reason being is that it can clog up your foam cannon over time and can also interfere with your current protection on your vehicle. That is why we recommend a pure soap free of any additives or gloss enhancers. As far as what these two smell like, GSF has more of a fruity cherry scent, while CARPRO Reset has more of a fresh, clean scent. So when it comes to washing your car, Koch-Chemie recommends 20 milliliters of GSF in your foam cannon and then 100 milliliters in your wash bucket. For CARPRO Reset, they recommend putting 90 milliliters in your foam cannon and 40 milliliters in your wash bucket. If you want a more precise method of measuring, we recommend our measuring pitcher that we offer in our store. What's great about this pitcher is not only is it ergonomic to pour in your soap, but it offers milliliters and ounces on the front of it, so it's very easy to measure the proper amount you're going to be using. So in summary, these are high quality soaps that not only provide excellent cleaning power, but also provide good lubrication during the wash process. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment below in the video or reach out to support@obsessedgarage.com.